Tattletale. Tattletale. It means somebody who tells an authority figure when another person has done something wrong. For example, you shouldn't be a tattletale at school. A shoulder to cry on. A shoulder to cry on. It means a sympathetic and supportive person. For example, Pablo is a good friend. He was a shoulder to cry on when I broke up with my girlfriend. A downer. A downer. It means a grumpy and disagreeable person. For example, I've been taking you for a day out at the beach. Why are you being such a downer? An eager beaver. An eager beaver. It means an enthusiastic person. For example, a new manager is an eager beaver. He works really hard. A butterfingers. A butterfingers. It means a clumsy person who often drop things. For example, Usher is such a butterfingers. He is always dropping things. A scaredy cat. A scaredy cat. It means a person who is easily scared. For example, Tim is such a scaredy cat. He is terrified of spiders. High flyer. High flyer. It means very talented and successful person. For example, Max is such a high flyer, she's been promoted twice this year and only 23. A mutual friend. A mutual friend. It means a shared friend of two people. For example, Marie and Pierre met through Isaac, mutual friend of theirs. A soulmate. A soulmate. It means the perfect person to be friend or partner. For example, I think Claire has found soulmate. Both she and Dan love reading. A fat cat. A fat cat. It means an overpaid and lazy person. For example, my boss is a fat cat. He earns lots of money, but doesn't work very hard. The top dog. The top dog. It means the most important person. For example, Paul is not our boss, but he still tries to be the top dog in our team. He is always telling us what to do. A slacker. A slacker. It means very lazy person. For example, Brandon is a slacker. He looks at his phone all day and ignores the customers. An average Joe. An average Joe. It means a stereotypical man who has simple tastes. For example, my dad is just an average Joe. He enjoys burgers and fries and loves watching baseball. A crybaby. A crybaby. It means someone who cries a lot of, without good reason. For example, Bob is such a crybaby he was very upset about not getting a perfect score. Dark horse. Dark horse. It means someone who hides a surprising skills or quality. For example, Ben never told us how he could do it. He is such a dark horse. Man of his word. Man of his word. It means someone who does what he promises. For example, you can trust Samuel, he is a man of his word. Gold digger. Gold digger. It means someone who has relationship with someone to get their money. For example, Nora is only interested in his money. She is a gold digger. Nosy Parker. Nosy Parker. It means someone who is too interested in what other people are doing. For example, she is always looking out her kitchen window to see what we are doing. Does this nosy Parker have better thing to do? Wimp. Wimp. It means someone who is not strong, brave, or confident. For example, don't be such a wimp. Tell her you want to break up with her. Armchair critic. Armchair critic. It means person who knows or pretends to know a lot about something in theory rather than practice. For example, he is an armchair critic. He has opinions on subjects he doesn't know about. Barefaced liar. Barefaced liar. It means person who displays no shame about lying even if they are exposed. For example, you cannot trust one word comes from his mouth. He is a barefaced liar. Plain Jane. Plain Jane. It means a woman who is not particularly attractive. For example, his wife was a plain Jane with curly hair and long chin.